and Vosper's Inturo, Puma ST Line X. This one's a 125 manual, finished in Cactus grey, featuring winter pack. So it's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, also sporting the optional roof bars. But being the X means that the things like the passenger seat has got height adjustment inside there, along with lumbar support as well. Being the X, it also has power tailgate, so we can, when it's PDI'd, of course when it's PDI'd we can do that, but down here to power up the infamous Puma boot, which is huge, with of course the extra Megabox underneath, which is all waterproof and the like. Power down, got a reverse camera just sitting there. And then inside the car, everything you'd expect: wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging. I say heated seats and heated steering wheel in this car as well. All a really, really nice place to be. Even get a picture of a Puma when you start it. Loads of beeps as well. Stunning car. Now with £1,000 deposit contribution for Q4 2025 orders. We're down at Vosper's Intro.